Okay, so welcome back here. We've given the wall some time to dry out, and it has completely dried out there. I had my air mover fan on it, so that speeds up the process, even with the setting tight mud. So what we're going to do again is we're going to go around and just shave down any lines like this right here. There's a scratch mark here from there must have been a chunk in the mud. The scratch is like right here, but we'll fill that in on this coat here. But as you can see though, the surface is really smooth now compared to the last coat. And there's some air bubbles here, but they're no big deal. Just scrape them down. Okay. So now what I'm going to be using is my large 16 by 4.5 trowel here. We're just going to skim down the wall, the whole part, and we're going to widen it just like a little bit more here. So I mixed up some EasySand here. The taping line was right here, and I put my trowel here and try to rock it. It doesn't rock. It rocks a little bit down here, and a little bit down there, but not there. So this coat is we're gonna go wide with it again here. So I'm gonna reorganize the mud like that. Give it a little shake. And with the 16 trowel, you can load up twice with it, like that. And we're going to come up here and go slightly wider with it. Come back here. I'm going to load that back up there. Load back up there. Again, I'm overlapping probably like a third there. So I'm going to clean this off there. I'm going to come up to the top and borrow some mud there and bring it up in the crown. Clean this off there because I have a little bit too much there. And work that in there. Alright, now I'm going to put the pressure to the left-hand side to take off that side there. Come up here. I'm skimming tight now. Not there. We're not trying to leave a lot of mud here, so that took care of that area right there. There is a little draw line there, but that's fine. We'll just wait till that dries and scrape that off there. So we're back to start here. Load up once, twice, overlap by a third, once, twice. Now I'm going to come up here and borrow some mud. Okay, so borrow some mud, bring it up tight to the crown, and skim hard. with some mud, bring it up, and skim hard. Now, there's a line here, so I'll try to take that away. I'll do that again. And I took that away there. So we've come to the end, so I'm just going to load up the right-hand side here. And I have a little bit on there, so I'll just bring that up. Give it a little shake up. Clean off the trowel, put the pressure to the line. That just comes off there. Come up to the top. Go straight down. Now as you can see there's a chunk in the mud and left the line, so I want to get rid of that. So clean down and swipe again and that got rid of that. Okay, so I'm going to reorganize this here and give it a little shake. I'm going to come back to get some more mud here. Okay, so reorganize it, give it a little shake, and now it's stuck. So I'm going to come down here. I'm just going to load up that side right there. Come down here and go up with it. Come into it. Okay, so I have a little bit there. So I'll just come down here. And work it right up against to the baseboard. Okay, now clean that off there. Got some on the back side there. I'm going to use the pressure on the left hand side here to taper that off. Put some mud right there. Come down, work it against the baseboard, and skim hard up. And work it in there and skim up. Reorganize it here. So when I get to here, because the socket plate's here, I'm going to switch over to my 12-inch trowel here. So we'll load up there. And I have some mud on that side there, so I'll bring it right here. Grab a little bit there and put that in there. Okay, now I'll load up the left hand side here and come up like that. And borrow some, work that in there. There's an impression right there, so I'm just going to add mud right there. And come up and press tight. Now there's a line like right here, so I'll try to do away with that and come up here. Now, for this area down here, I'm gonna grab my 6-inch knife here and put the mud there. And add a chunk in there. Work that down. There's a line right here. We'll just leave that and let that dry here. So, by going over the last final skim coat with this with the 16 by 4.5 trowel is going to help fill in any more of the valleys, and it's going to recreate a smooth surface. So we effectively built a slight arc around these two butt joints here. So we'll just let this completely dry out, and then we'll be back to do some minor touch-ups. So until the next time.